So welcome to Intro to Data Science with Python and Visual Studio Code. So data science can be used both in academic environments or professional environments, medical, financial, basically everywhere. We call it data science now because due to some of the advances that we have, it is easier to use bulk tools to perform certain actions, such as statistical analysis, data preparation, and other steps that before these technologies it would be harder to do. We will be using Python for this. I will do a few things step by step. I will use for this Jupyter notebooks, which are basically a easier way of running Python code that can be ran without the need of compiling or any complex things. If you have questions about that, I will not cover exactly how do these things work at this point. But again, you're more than welcome to ask questions along the lines of this process as I go through. So first, let me create the file that I'll be working on. And then let me do a few things here before we get started. So I will work on a virtual environment here. I will not use Conda for this one because I'm on a different computer and I don't want to install it here. So yeah, yes, I will prepare all these. Okay. I don't know what these error messages are. I will completely ignore them. So this is Windows. And there it is. So these are the packages that I will be using. I will install them now. There are some packages that are commonly used in data science to perform all the tasks that we are going to do here. For this tutorial, I will work using the Titanic dataset that is available online, which is basically a list of all the passengers that were on the Titanic ship, along with age and destination and some other informations you will see as we go along with this. As soon as we have this ready, I will show some of the things that you can do, as well as a few tips on how to go from here if you want to learn more. Again, I can't possibly cover everything about data science in a single hour. So this is just an opportunity for you to see how things are done and to learn, in case you want to dive deeper into this, where to look for information. Yeah, it takes a little bit. I wanted to do this process in front of you so you could see how it's basically done. So I have created a virtual environment. I have installed the packages that I will use along with a kernel for Python to execute on Jupyter Notebook. And so I will use my virtual environment here to to run the kernel.